Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the keyboard layout and where the airplane icon or network key sits. Once confirmed, make sure you saved all work because toggling can briefly interrupt online sessions. If your keyboard uses an FN layer, hold FN while you press the airplane key. On some models, the key is a standalone F key. You're doing this to restore connectivity quickly, so identify whether the key shows a plain symbol or a wireless icon. This determines the exact key combination to use next. Now execute the shortcut for your system. On many laptops, press FN plus the airplane-marked function key. Some models only need the function key itself. Press and release, then wait a second. On Windows, you can also press the Windows key plus it to open Action Center and toggle airplane mode there if the keyboard shortcut doesn't respond. On Mac OS, use the Control Center or Option-click the Wi-Fi icon to restore radios. Make sure indicator LEDs change. That confirms radios are re-enabling. Finish by verifying Wi-Fi and Bluetooth come back online. Check the network icon in your taskbar or menu bar to confirm connection. If radios do not reappear, try pressing the airplane key combination once more, then wait a few seconds. Make sure FN lock isn't preventing the function layer. If still blocked, reboot the device to clear hardware state. For persistent issues, update keyboard or system drivers and consult the keyboard's FN lock setting. This resolves most stubborn airplane mode toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.